What if a single breath could unravel the chaos inside you? What if an ancient secret hidden in the air you take for granted held the key to peace, power, and life itself? What if you're one inhale away from transforming everything you thought you knew? Welcome to Infinite Awakening, where today we're stepping into the mystery of Qigong, a practice that turns breath into a bridge to your soul. Before we dive in, please support this channel with a like and subscribe for wisdom flowing like a river. Your support keeps these journeys alive. Now let's begin. Have you ever wondered why, in those fleeting moments when stress grips you tight or anxiety clouds your mind, someone, maybe a friend, a parent, or even a stranger, leans in and says, "Take a deep breath"? It's such a small piece of advice, almost a reflex we hear so often that we brush it aside. But what if there's more to it? What if those three little words carry a wisdom so ancient, so profound, that they could unlock a hidden power within you? Today, we're not just going to skim the surface. We're diving deep into Qigong, an ancient Chinese practice that takes that simple breath and weaves it into something extraordinary. A way to restore harmony between your body, your mind, and your spirit. If you've ever felt lost, out of balance, or just yearned for a flicker of inner peace and physical vitality, then this journey is calling your name. Together, we're going to uncover how Qigong can transform your life, not in some distant future, but right here, right now, one deliberate, mindful breath at a time. Imagine a river, wild and free, flowing through a vast landscape. It curves around jagged rocks, sweeps through shadowed valleys, and presses forward with a quiet strength. It doesn't fight the terrain, it adapts, moving with both gentleness and an unstoppable will. This is the essence of Qigong. It's the cultivation of our life energy, our Qi, that invisible pulsing force that courses through every part of us, tying together our mind, our body, and our spirit in a dance so seamless we barely notice it's happening. Qigong, at its heart, is an ancient Chinese practice, born thousands of years ago, that blends soft flowing movements, deep breathing techniques, and moments of stillness in meditation. It's a way to nourish and balance the flow of this vital energy within us, a practice that doesn't just sit on the surface, but reaches into the very core of who we are. For centuries, Qigong has stood as one of the foundational pillars of traditional Chinese medicine. It's been a trusted path to health, to longevity, to emotional steadiness, a way to keep the body strong and the soul aligned. The word Qi itself is a beautiful mystery. It means life energy, the force that hums through everything in the universe, from the smallest blade of grass to the farthest star. Inside us, it's the subtle power that feeds our organs, courses through our muscles, sparks life into our cells, and even shapes the quiet currents of our thoughts. The ancient Chinese sages saw Qi as more than just energy. They called it the invisible thread that binds all things together, linking the tiny world within us to the boundless expanse of the cosmos. And then there's Gong. It's a word that carries weight, practice, skill, the cultivated work you pour into something over time to truly master it. So when we say Qigong, we're talking about something alive and active, the art of cultivating that vital energy, of tending to it like a gardener tends to a riverbank, guiding it so it flows freely and fully. At the root of Qigong lies mindful breathing. It's the heartbeat of the practice, the starting point of everything it offers. When we learn to control our breath, to really pay attention to it, we begin to take the reins of our emotions, our thoughts, our entire state of being. Lao Tzu, the revered Taoist master whose words still echo through time, said it best: "He who knows the power of breath knows the power of life." Let that sink in for a moment. Breath isn't just some mechanical thing we do to stay alive. It's the invisible thread that stitches together our body, our mind, and our spirit. It's the pathway through which Qi flows, the channel where this vital energy comes alive, and expresses itself in every corner of our existence. Think about how you breathe every day. It's so automatic, isn't it? We inhale, we exhale, over and over, without a second thought, letting the body run the show. But here's the truth we often overlook. The way we breathe isn't neutral. It shapes us. It affects our physical health, our emotional landscape, our mental clarity. In Qigong, breathing isn't just about survival. It's a tool for healing, a bridge that connects us back to the flow of life itself. When you're anxious, when stress coils tight around your chest, what happens? Your breath turns quick, shallow, trapped high in your lungs. It's like a signal flare to your body. Something's wrong, danger's near. That's your fight or flight system waking up ready to run or fight. But now imagine the opposite. Breathe slowly, deeply, let the air sink low into your belly. What happens then? Something almost magical unfolds. Your body softens, your heartbeat steadies, your mind begins to unclench. That's the parasympathetic nervous system stepping in. The part of you wired for restoration, for calm, for peace. A quiet stillness starts to wrap around you like a warm blanket. This is the gift of Qigong's mindful breathing, known as tuna, simply inhale and exhale. It's a practice that cultivates qi, letting this vital energy flow freely through every part of you. With every inhale, you draw in fresh, cleansing energy, washing over your body and mind. With every exhale, you release what? Tension, negative thoughts, energetic blockages that have been holding you back. Qigong doesn't stop at one kind of breath. It offers different ways to breathe, each one a tool to guide qi through the body's energy channels. Those pathways we call meridians. These meridians are like rivers inside you, carrying qi to every organ, every system, keeping everything in harmony. Let's walk through 3 fundamental breathing techniques you can start practicing today. 3 ways to invite qi into your life. First, there's deep abdominal breathing. This is the bedrock of Qigong, the starting point that everything else builds on. When you breathe deeply, you engage your diaphragm, that muscle beneath your lungs. You let your abdomen expand as you inhale, then gently contract as you exhale. It's a simple motion, but it does something profound. It allows qi to sink deep into your body, to reach places shallow breathing can't touch. Want to try it? Here's how. Sit or stand with your spine straight, tall but relaxed. Place one hand on your abdomen, just below your navel. Inhale slowly through your nose. Feel your belly push out against your hand, expanding like a balloon. Then exhale through your nose or mouth, feeling your abdomen draw back in. Keep it long, smooth, unhurried. This isn't just breathing. It's an invitation for qi to flow, to root you, to bring every part of you alive. Next, there's soft silk breathing. This one's a little different. It's about smoothing the flow of qi, easing away tension with every breath. The idea is to make your breath controlled, harmonious, like you're unrolling a delicate silk thread. It's gentle, deliberate, calming. It soothes your nervous system, quiets the chatter in your mind, and sets the stage for meditation. Here's how to do it. Inhale slowly and deeply through your nose, letting the air fill your abdomen like before. But when you exhale, take your time. Let it out gently, without rushing, as if you're unspooling that fine silk thread. Keep it slow, fluid, natural. Don't force it, just let it unfold. Feel how it softens you, how it brings a stillness you didn't know you needed. And then there's natural breathing. This one's about letting go. After practicing deep abdominal breathing or soft silk breathing, this technique brings you back to your body's own rhythm. It's about trusting yourself, releasing control, and letting qi flow as it wants to. Here's how. Sit or stand with your spine straight, just like before. Now simply allow your breath to happen. Don't guide it, don't shape it, just watch it. Observe how your body breathes on its own, without any effort from you. Inhale follows. Exhale, soft and easy, like waves on a shore. This isn't just relaxation. It's a deep connection to the natural flow of Qi, a moment of unity with the universe around you. It leaves you with a serenity that lingers, a quiet sense that you're part of something vast. These breathing practices do more than calm you. They work on a level you might not even see. In Qigong, conscious breathing has the power to unblock and nourish your meridians, those energy rivers running through your body. Think of them as lifelines, transporting Qi to every corner of you, making sure your organs, your muscles, your systems all hum together in balance. But when your breathing gets short, irregular, when life's chaos takes over, those rivers can clog. Stagnation sets in, and that's where trouble starts. Fatigue that won't lift, chronic pain that gnaws at you, stress and anxiety that feel like they've moved in for good. But here's the good news. When you breathe with intention, when you practice Qigong, Qi starts moving again. It sweeps through those blockages like a current clearing debris from a stream, restoring your vitality, bringing you back to life. The benefits of Qigong aren't just some ancient promise. They're real, tangible, backed by time and even modern science. Study after study has shown what regular practice can do. It cuts through stress, leaving you lighter. It improves your sleep, turning restless nights into deep rest. It boosts your immunity, helping your body fend off illness. It can even ease chronic pain, softening edges that once felt sharp. And there's more. Qigong strengthens your respiratory system, your cardiovascular system, everything tied to that breath. Why? Because deep, conscious breathing floods your body with oxygen, sends it coursing through your blood, nourishing your heart, your organs, every cell. The Taoist masters put it simply, the breath is the foundation of healthy living. But it's not just your body that thrives. When you breathe this way, your mind finds clarity, your emotions find a steady shore. You're cultivating not just physical health, but a deeper well-being that touches every part of you. And here's where Qigong becomes more than just a practice. It becomes a bridge to something bigger. It's not only about you alone in a room breathing. It's about connection to nature, to the natural flow of life itself. In Taoism, nature isn't separate from us. It's a mirror of the Tao, the path, the way existence unfolds. When you practice Qigong outdoors, surrounded by trees or near water, something shifts. Your breath starts to sync with the world, the rustle of leaves, the ripple of a stream. You begin to flow with the universe, to adapt to its changes, to find balance even when everything around you feels like chaos. Lao Tzu said, "The Tao is like a river. It flows unceasingly, navigating around obstacles without ever losing its path." That's what Qigong teaches us, to move through life like that river, steady and sure. So what is Qigong really? It's more than a breathing technique, more than a set of movements or meditations. It's a philosophy of life, a way of being that shows us how to cultivate our vital energy, how to bring our body and mind into alignment, how to weave ourselves into the natural flow of the universe. Conscious breathing is the first step, the spark that lights this transformation. If you're seeking a life that's more balanced, healthier, more fulfilling, then Qigong isn't just an option, it's a calling. Remember this, with every single breath, you hold the power to create peace within yourself. The wisdom of those ancient Taoist masters hasn't faded. It's still here, whispering through the ages, inviting us to rediscover what's been inside us all along, the power of conscious breathing, the strength to live in harmony with the Tao. So take a deep breath right now as you listen. Feel it. Let Qi flow freely through your life. Thank you for watching. If this resonated with you, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more insights.